campus community and our students demand the excellence, and the equipment helps provide that commitment and the tools that the team needs to be successful. My name's Terry Baker. I'm the Executive Director of Dining at the University of Richmond. I came here at the University of Richmond about 4 years ago. I came because of their excellent dining program, their enthusiasm for food, the great students, and the commitment to excellence in all they do. Rationale has been part of the dining service program for over 15 years. It's now in all our operations, from retail to our commissary style to catering to the dining hall.
When I was hired here, I became the senior catering chef. Was in that role for 8 years. 5 years ago, I was promoted into this role, the executive chef role for campus. Hello, my name is Tyler Betzold. I'm the executive chef at the University of Richmond Dining Services. We've really shifted to Rationale for the majority of our needs. We've removed equipment to put in more Rationales. Anyone in the industry will say if they've gone from a convection oven to a Rationale, there's no comparison. The Iverio is the same. This is a piece of equipment that can maintain high temp. It doesn't need the recovery time like old traditional items. Equipment would need it. We are able to move task to task to task, which is what a high volume unit needs to be able to do. We need to be able to get as much working at the same time and be as efficient as possible. This is the equipment to do that. This is the technology to do that. It's really freed up the team to be doing more. I think to be focusing on the flavors, the quality more, to be getting more in depth, better understanding of the recipe itself. It essentially takes a team, and now it turns it into like 1 or 2 people. So it effectively reduced the labor footprint by 50% of what we needed to be accomplishing the same thing before. From oven to the Iverio is about 4.5 hours to get it nice and tender, shredded the way you want it. And now that process is 20 minutes pretty much in the oven, pressurized, good to go, 30 minutes. All the way around, it helps on the bulk production, it helps on us being able to turn our items in our pans quicker.
To me, Rationale has always been the benchmark for success. And that has been the flagstone of why it's here at the university. It is known for its innovation and creativity, its dependability, and its ability to respond to all our different needs. It's the technology that helps us embrace what we need to do for the future. We're ranked highly because of the equipment that we have on our operations and the ability to deliver what we can do every day. Because it's that consistency and quality that makes our reputation strong. It's
a game changer. It really is. It will help your operation in ways you weren't aware of. And there's a network there to help you get it to really where it needs to be, to get it completely established in ways that it can really make you more efficient and help your team out. Why wait? There will never be another kitchen I work in the rest of my life that will not have this equipment.